Hey everyone, Ayush here from Team Electron, and we are here to demo Recon. There is a time when gaming was considered just a hobby, but the times have changed. Gaming and video game content creation are considered a strong career path for a lot of people across the globe. The Indian gaming market is expected to touch a valuation of $3.9 billion by 2025. With the exponential rise in the Web3 space, its intersection with gaming was inevitable. We made it come to life with Recon. Recon is a marketplace for gamers to buy and sell gameplay clips as NFTs. It is a platform for gamers and video game content creators to generate an extra stream of revenue by selling their gameplay content to their fans in form of NFTs. Not just that, practically anybody with an awesome gameplay clip can come to the platform, upload their clip as an NFT, and sell it out. We believe that gaming is an art form, and Recon is built around the same belief. Recon, treating gameplay like the art it is.
Hello everyone, my name is Mizan and I am from Team Electron. I'm here to demo our app Recon and walk you through the web app. So once I go to this URL, I am immediately prompted with the MetaMask pop-up which asks me to connect my MetaMask wallet. So I have a few test accounts here with a few test message in them. So I'm going to connect account 1 to walk you through the website. Once I click on connect, the pop-up closes and my wallet has been connected to our web app. So this is the landing page and this is the explore page. Over here you can see all the games which we currently support on our platform. So these are the 3 games we have: Valorant, CSGO and Fortnite. Once I click on this game, say Valorant, you can see all the NFTs of this game's gameplay which have been uploaded by users. I have uploaded 4 different NFTs from a few different accounts prior to the filming of this video, which you can see over here. To create a new NFT, we can go to the create page and here we have a few options to enter. So first of all, we need to upload a clip. So I'll do that by navigating to the clip on my PC and select it. Once it's uploaded, you can see the file name appears here and I can also select a thumbnail for the NFT. And once I upload both of them, I can enter a name. Say I'm going to call this NFT Jet Dash and I'm going to give it a short and sweet description. I can select the game over here and this clip is of the Valorant game, and I can select a tag competitive or casual. This is basically a filter for exploring the different clips on our platform. So for now, let's select the casual tag. I'm going to enter a listing base price of 0.08 METH for which it will be sold at. Once I click on create, my MetaMask wallet pops up again and it shows me the gas fee I have to pay for uploading this clip on the platform. As you can see, the gas fee is 0.005 METH and the total fee for listing this is this much. Once I click on confirm, the pop-up closes, and if I open my wallet again, you'll be able to see that the transaction is pending over here. The gas fee has been deducted from my account and I can confirm the transaction by clicking over here. Once I click on confirm, it will take a few seconds to confirm the transaction, and once that's done, I will be redirected back to the landing page automatically. So that was done. The balance was deducted from my wallet and I'm back on this landing page. Let's refresh the page now and wait for it to load the new NFTs from the blockchain. Okay, so the new data has been loaded, and if I go to the explore page and I go into Valorant section again, you will be able to see the new NFT which we just created in all its glory. I can also go to the profile section and look at that NFT under the created tab. So these 2 NFTs were created before the filming of this video, but this is the one we created just now. I can click on the view button to watch the video associated with the NFT. Over here on the right side, you can see the basic information about the NFT. You can see created by, and this is my wallet address which we can confirm from right here. That's the same address, and my description and the price of 0.08 METH. We can play the video by clicking over here. Wow, that was a nice shot. I can also click on the full screen button to watch the video in full screen, and I can also see through the video. So that was the NFT which we just created, and that's how you create an NFT on Recon. To purchase an NFT, let's switch accounts. So over here in my MetaMask wallet extension, I will switch to this account 4 which I have, and let's connect that to the website, and this has 0.3 MATH in it currently. Now let's refresh the page and wait for the new connection to be established. Okay, looks like my wallet has been successfully connected, and if I go to the profile section, you'll be able to see the new address over here which associates to this account 4 wallet. And under the collected tab, we can see one NFT which I had previously bought from this account. Now let's buy the one we just created. So if I go into Explore and Valorant, you'll be able to see the newly created NFT over here, and I can watch it again if I want to. And let's buy this now. So it has a price of 0.08 MATH, which I do have in my wallet, so I can successfully proceed with the transaction. If I click on the buy now button, the MetaMask pop-up shows up again, and it shows me the total amount, the price I have to pay for the NFT as well as the gas fee, resulting in a total amount of 0.084 MATH. Once I click on confirm, I have to wait for a few seconds for the transaction to complete. Awesome, that was done. So the balance was deducted from my account, as you can see over here, and I was redirected back to the landing page. Let's refresh the website again and wait for the new NFTs to be fetched. Now if I go into the explore section, you won't be able to see that NFT again because it has been successfully sold. And if I go into my profile section, it shows up under my collected tab right here. I can view this NFT and watch the video anytime I want, and this officially belongs to me as confirmed by this owned by address over here, which belongs to my wallet. That's the same address. So that's how you buy an NFT on Recon. So that was Recon in all its glory, and we hope you liked the platform. Thank you for watching.